Sup guys, Michael Jones right here, and I'm back with another video. I still have my fidget spinner, but you know what? It's not mine no more. I'm giving this one to my brother. And
Michael, you need to eat your food. Cause look at that. I don't want to get old.
old?
I got you the chicken, your chicken and everything here. You don't have to eat the salad.
Yeah, I'm not eating that salad. Well,
That's soggy. That's not.
yeah, I gave this fidget spinner to my brother because I have this one. There it goes. Yeah, so my beauty, and so crazy story today. We got some cheesy, crazy bread.
But the ribs are really good now. I fixed them.
And crazy story today. I grabbed my sandal, I tried to put it on, I cut myself. This is what happened.
So now you know where they're at, right? This is ours, and it's still fresh.
Yeah, that's the one I used.
When you use your dad's, before.
But it says organic on it.
It's okay.
You guys can't see the cut. Well, you can still see it a little bit. Now you can see that's the little cut I have.
Anyway, I saved you these ribs right here.
There's 3.
They're nice and tender and bomb.
And I am gonna be doing a house tour. Which one you gonna get yourself? Leon? Which one you gonna get yourself? Like, you
I'm
only,
not buying one. I just bought that one for you.
you're not getting one for yourself?
Yeah,
Well,
realize maybe he's older, so that kind of stuff doesn't really, thrill him.
it's addicting, that's why.
But he cleaned that living room real good too.
True. And yeah, I will be doing a house tour soon. You guys been begging me to do one, so I have some freaking thing with some. If you guys think that's throw up, that's not. It's not fish food. It's